Why are you celebrating right now? You should be using this free time that you have right now during the holidays to be making more money. Let me be clear. Why are you celebrating failure? And in addition to that, I'm kidding. It's not that I didn't have any content this week. It's just that I'm one man and I still have to do all the research. I still have to do all the editing. I still have to do all the exploratory work because no one brings me stuff. And there's a lot of different avenues that I also want to explore as well while still producing these videos for free. And I'm not really seeing a return out of these. I'm just kind of doing them for the sake of doing them, right? So why am I making this and what's my message? My message is that I believe it's critical for you to take downtime right now. If I had to highlight some of the benefits, first and foremost, it's great to recharge. Second, it's great to step back from the insanity because a lot of people tunnel vision into something and get way too deep into it, especially you crypto people. That step back will give you a bigger picture perspective. And not only that, it'll give you fresh eyes on the subject. I believe this is something that has to be said, and this is coming from someone who's always like, work, 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 work. Take a small rest, but don't take too long because that's where people get lazy and complacent. If you resonate with this message, please subscribe and share it. I feel that the message is actually more important, but honestly, if you want to do the other stuff like comment, subscribe to my Patreon, that's up to you. But in the meantime, I think you should turn off your phone, take care of those who love you, or don't. It's your choice. Whatever you choose, just remember, just because you're a day trader doesn't mean you have to trade every single day.